Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to remove Gmail from Facebook. So first of all, just go back to your screen and go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and just start looking for the Facebook and double check if your Facebook app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead to do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the Facebook, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my menu at the below right corner. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on my settings gear at the top right, and then move along to the account center or Meta. In that account center or Meta, you're going to be able to see password and security, and you're going to be able to see all of the activity across your Facebook. And here you're going to see the personal details, and then just go ahead and click contact info. And basically in the contact info, you're going to be able to see right here your Gmail and your Hotmail. And in my case, I have a Hotmail. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and delete the email, and I'm going to confirm that I want to delete the email, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.